Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get some more content creation ideas if you are stuck for building or writing content for your blog. It comes from Pinterest, and what you need to do is you need to be logged into your Pinterest account, and then you go to your notifications button up here. You click on that and that will then show you what's been going on in the world of Pinterest. Now if you scroll right the way down here, it gives you some ideas there, and then if you come right the way down, it gives you more ideas for your board blogs. Now when you click on that, you'll get a page that looks just like this here. Now when you do that, you've got tons of ideas here that will be ideal for writing on your blog, ideas how you can do things. Don't have to copy the titles, but it gives you some idea as to how you can actually use Pinterest for getting content creation ideas. There are hundreds, as you can see, hundreds. So that's how you get to use Pinterest for content creation ideas. Hope that video has been of use for you. My name is Dave Hayes, and hope you've enjoyed watching it.